This tool is going to change the way we think, and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI, and it's far better than ChatGPT and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's get just into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ai. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various options and several things that you have to know about Perplexity. So the first thing is just click over Try Pro here, and we have your Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with a limited pro search, upgraded EA models, a limited file upload, image generation, and API credits. Have your standard start for free, no credit card needed, free forever, and we have a continue with free, and we have a limited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, and we have your standard Perplexity EA model optimized for speed and quality. Create profile to personalize your answers. So let's come back here to the home, and we have here various things like we have here focus, we have web here, search across the internet, writing here, generate text or chat without searching the web, academic search or for published academic papers, video here, and we have math and social here. Then we have here what is somatic healing, for example, about these things. So let's come back. We have here Pro. So the Pro search it's our most powerful search, ideal for longer answers to complex questions. So if you click over switch here and you can just ask something, for example, how to make money on Perplexity, and then you click over enter. So we have here how to make money on Perplexity. About the pro search, we have here various things. We have the first thing is search for methods to make money on Perplexity, and I will click over here. So we have here searching. We have here how to make money on Perplexity, ways to earn money using Perplexity, and we have here make money Perplexity AI tips. About reading, we have YouTube here, how to make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024. About Telefy, we have unlocking to potential earn money with Perplexity AI chatbot, and we have here Perplexity AI chatbot. Complex make money tutorial 2024. Then we have YouTube here, make money with Perplexity AI for beginners 2024, and you have here Reddit, how does make Perplexity.ai make money? Can't find anything about it, and we have here 2 ways to make money with Perplexity in 2024. Then you have a net prompts here, and you have EA business plus 3 steps to passive income with Perplexity. YouTube, how to make money with from Perplexity. Reddit, how I use Perplexity AI to make money. We have EA business, how to automate Perplexity AI for passive income. We have here a journey maximizing profits and affiliate marketing with Perplexity. Also, we have your sources here, and you have answer here also. So to make money using Perplexity AI, there are several strategies you can employ, particularly if you are involved in content creation, freelancing, or utilizing the platform for research and development. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to leverage Perplexity AI for income generation. Have you create educational content such as online courses, blogging and articles, YouTube video also, such as script writing, video production, and we have here freelancer opportunities such as offer freelance service, and we have script writing and content creation, editing and proofreading. We have passive income streams like develop passive income models. Then we have leverage the Perplexity publishers program like joint publisher program, and so making money with Perplexity involves creatively applying its capabilities in research and content generation across various platforms. So, and we have here related, what are some specific revenue generating opportunities with Perplexity? How can I start small with AI enabled tasks to scale off my income? So we have here videos also, we have search images here, and you have here generate image also. So if you click on over home page here, and I will give you some right now how you can earn money on Perplexity. So on Perplexity, you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory service to a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing valuable tailored insights and charging for personalized consultations. So the first one we have here Upwork. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, promote your Upwork consulting services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice, and convert Perplexity and directions into Upwork projects. You have LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. Then we have the second one, which is creating and selling educational content. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content, develop high quality informative materials tailored to your niche. Offer these resources to Perplexity by providing access for or exclusive content for a fee, attracting users interested in specialized knowledge. So we have the first one, which is Udemy, as you can see. To earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy, first develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven reviews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have here Amazon. To earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise. Promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. So, to earn money about the third way, it's to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps. Create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So, to earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on App Store, create available and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have Product Hunt. To earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on Product Hunt launch your products and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your Product Hunt launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms focus on creating valuable content to community content and engaging actively with the community, understand the platform's monetization options, and tailor your content to meet user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Succeed typically involves persistence and continuous adaptation. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.